This cheese ball is an appetizer you can make ahead of time and with very minimal effort. It's a win-win. You'll want to start with a package of cream cheese that's at room temperature so it will be easier to mix. Loosely stir it with a fork just to break it up a bit, then add shredded marble cheese, shredded old cheddar, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, bacon bits, and chopped green onion. Stir everything together by kind of mashing the other ingredients into the softened cream cheese with a fork. This might take a little while, but hey, it's the only real effort you have to put into this recipe. Now lay out a large piece of plastic wrap on your working surface. Sprinkle some more shredded cheese in the center as well as some chopped fresh parsley. This will be the kind of crust on the outside of your cheese ball. Once you have a fairly even layer, pour the cream cheese mixture as close to the center as you can. Use the plastic wrap to shape the cheese by pushing it together, then rotating and pushing again until you have a ball shape. Next, tightly wrap your cheese ball in the plastic wrap, twisting the ends to ensure it holds its shape. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or until you're ready to serve with your favorite crackers, veggies, or bread. Subscribe to Dished for more delicious recipes.